Hi guys, welcome back to Spotaria channel. Today in this video, I'll show you how to install Outlook on iPhone. But as always, before you continue this video, I hope you like, comment and subscribe to support this channel, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So without any further ado, let's get started. Well, first thing first that you have to do on your device, select the App Store icon here. I'm gonna open it right now. After, in the search bar at the top here, you have to type Microsoft Outlook and just tap on the first option. And yeah, here you can see Microsoft Outlook. Select the Get button next to Microsoft Outlook. After, to confirmation, here I use my Face ID, so I have to double click to install the button side. And yeah, now you just have to wait for a minute since this is processing until it's done. And yeah, now the Get button earlier will change to the Open button when it's downloaded. So here I'm gonna check for it in my home screen. Usually it will be a last home screen here. Yeah, as you can see here, the Microsoft Outlook app is already there. So yeah, just it guys, I think it's enough. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this video will help you. Don't forget to leave your comment in the column below. I'll see you soon on the next one and good luck!